Hi, this is Crystal from Crystal Living on a Dime, and today I would like to go over and let you know whether or not the air fryer is actually worth buying. I know there's a lot of big fads where it's all over the TV saying that it can do something, and then I know it took me and my husband a long time to decide to buy an air fryer, so I would just like to share with you the difference between the air fryer and just frying something on the frying pan. So stick to, if you like this video, we are in the process, we're brand new, so we are trying to get as many videos uploaded as quickly as we can. We are guaranteed to upload at least one video a week. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate it. So with nothing else, let's go ahead and see if if the air fryer is actually worth buying or not. So these are the two things that we'll be frying today. I'm going to put the chicken nuggets and the french fries together, because in the air fryer you can actually cook both at the same time. So we want to see how that works with the good old-fashioned cast iron skillet. So I'm going to go ahead and put some oil into the cast iron skillet, how we normally would deep fry our foods. And I'm going to turn that on just for a few minutes to get it so it's nice and hot to deep fry. For the air fryer, I'm going to go ahead and put these in. There's no separation. Wait for the oil and grease to get hot. And now we're going to put some french fries in. Okay, so now we have all those in, and we found out that if you spray a little bit, have oil in it. It's a spray bottle. If we found out if you just spray a little bit on your food, it would taste just like it's deep fried, in our opinion. So now I'm just going to put these in to the air fryer. I'm going to try it on, try it up to probably 400. That's the highest it'll go. And then go down to about 7 minutes and see how that goes. Now in the meantime, so that is on its go. So in the meantime, we still heating up our oil. Let's see if these are done enough. Not too much of a sizzle, but I guess I'll go ahead and put them in there just so we'll turn this down a little bit so our grease don't burn. And let's see how long it takes and which one actually comes out better or the same. And of course we gotta put the french fries in too. So let me go ahead. Our air fryer. As you can see, there's nothing that we really have to do to the air fryer. We just put it in. We might want to just take it out for a moment and you can shake it and put it back in. In the meantime, we gotta wait for these to hopefully get to a nice brown. Okay, let's shake these up and see how they come in. That's like the main thing that you need to do with the air fryer, just give it a little shake. And then it automatically starts back up for us. Now here's the ones that we are deep frying in oil. So let me just give these a flip. Alright, we got the first round flipped. And I also got grease on my straw because you definitely get grease when you deep fry. Well, we'll be right back to see how everything goes. Okay, so we have 2 minutes left on the air fryer. Let's give it another shake and see how they looking. And then here is our deep fried ones. Obviously you can see a lot of greases on the chicken nuggets. So here's our deep fried ones. And that means that the air fryer is done. Okay, and then let me know. And this is the air fried ones. And that is the difference between, this is the air fry one and this is the deep fried one. As you can see, they look pretty much the same. There ain't a whole lot of difference. It took about the same amount of time, but using the air fryer, I actually walked away and did something else around the house instead of standing and making sure that the house didn't catch a fire from all the grease. So that's one of the plus sides. Okay, and here's the two comparison. This one was done in the air fryer. Look how much, it seems a lot more fatter than the one that was done in just regular grease. And this is the French fry that was done in the air fryer. And the texture is not much different than the greasy one. And then let's cut this one open. And as you can see, it's very, very, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a lot of juice in that one. And let's compare this one. Didn't get all the way done, and look, it's very, almost like spongy in a sense compared to this one. It's nice and juicy.
As you can see, the air fryer, I believe, is something definitely worth buying and investing in. It makes cooking so much easier. We have put pizza in it to warm it back up. Cooking chicken nuggets or even pizza rolls is so easy at night. If that we want a late night snack, we throw it in, we finish, we sit back down, watch our show, and then come back and get our pizza rolls, and they're nice and crispy. So in my opinion, I would definitely buy the air fryer again, or if something was to happen to the air fryer, I would definitely buy another one. So we use the air fryer probably more now than what we even use our oven or stove. We use it at least probably 3 or 4 times a week, if not more, and we always cook it at home. But that's just my opinion. Please leave a comment down below what your thoughts are. Maybe it's because we have the Power XL air fryer. I don't know if that makes a difference, but let me know what your experience is. And if you like this video and other ones, please give it a thumbs up. And also look for all other videos, and please subscribe so you have access to all the new ones we are uploading. Thank you. Bye.